What we do best at Altasciences is understanding what our clients need, understanding what the protocol requires in terms of the actual deliverables of the study, and then executing in a very quality-driven and client-focused manner.
Altasciences provides strategically located clinical pharmacology units and access to over 500 beds across the US and Canada. We have over 1,000 employees dedicated to clinical pharmacology research and conduct over 285 trials per year, working with you to leverage preclinical data in the design of your clinical trials.
As an integrated preclinical to clinical CRO, we're able to take that drug and accelerate how we move it through the various stages of drug development.
Our expertise covers all the clinical pharmacology studies required for regulatory submission across a wide range of therapeutic areas. Our purpose-built clinics and processes are designed for our experienced team to conduct simple and complex clinical trials requiring multifaceted safety assessments and biomarkers. Altasciences ensures on-time delivery of full participant panels and quick study startup. Our in-house recruitment call centers operate 6 days a week. Our database includes extensive screening histories and direct access to 400,000 healthy, normal volunteers, patients, and special populations. Altasciences partners with hospitals and can manage independent investigational sites for additional patient access.
Our study teams effectively understand how important our study participants are. So as a point of not just reaching participants to come into our trials, our goal is to keep them happy and safe while they're here, make sure that we create an environment where they are ultimately respected, where we hear their feedback.
We have domiciled participants for as many as 66 overnights. We provide competitive stipends and upscale facilities to ensure optimal retention rates, including access to high-speed Wi-Fi, bedside entertainment systems, and gaming rooms.
At Altasciences, the principal investigators are physicians who are highly involved in every aspect of the study.
At Altasciences, safety is always a top priority. We insist on the most exigent safety measures. Altasciences has a successful history of working with regulatory agencies internationally and has a harmonized clinical and QA approach across our organization. With Altasciences, you can expect to be treated like a colleague. Your projects become our projects. Your goals, our goals. We create symbiotic relationships. We are Altasciences.